Hello students of 5011 Researching in Education for Change. How you doing? This is video for week 2 in which we're starting to read a Crystal book. So, first few notes of reflection about your introducing yourself and the work that you already started to do in the discussion for week 1. So I'm happy to see that some of you, even many of you, have teaching experience, and some of you even have also more than that in education. Some of you have asked about applying research in the classroom. In week 9, when we talk about action and practitioner research, there will be specifically type of research that the educator itself, the teacher itself, um, is doing, that connects to the actual work of the teacher as teacher and researcher at the same time. Of course, other methods also relevant for the practitioner. Again, we won't dwell into mixed methods, but we will touch on different characteristics of this kind of research throughout uh, the course, and you will see that in week 2 we already starting to do that. Some of you started to comment on others' posts, and this is great. You were not required to do it this week 1, but next week and on you are required to do that. I try to comment on each of your posts. If I missed you, I'm sorry. I did comment for some of you on writing itself, for example, formatting. I also commented here and there a bit on some of your notes about research methods. I encourage you to continue to learn how to cite and use APA. You can see how some other of your peers have done it. As we read in week 1, there is immense importance in an online course for participant relationship. So when you are reading and commenting on others' posts, this is the participant relationship. Sometimes when I'm responding to you, I'm asking questions. You don't have to respond, but addressing those questions does show engagement and seriousness, and also contribute to your own thinking. So this week reading chapter 1 of Creswell, you can start to see the importance of philosophy and philosophical views at the base of research, and following this week we have a broader terminology when we're talking about research. Um, and in this chapter, there's those 3 aspects of worldviews, research design, and research methods, and some considerations when combining those 3 aspects. Your assignment, your discussion assignment this week, you will discuss in groups. I created groups for you. You will see those on the D2L website. If you don't see your name in one of the groups, please email me, okay? So the 2 themes are the one is the transformative worldview, and the other one is the research scenario. it seems that the transformative worldview is kind of a strong philosophical approach that can be used for um, um, change and education for change. And in the first theme, I'm asking you to delve specifically into the transformative worldview. In the second theme, I'm asking you to create not comprehensive but uh, um, um, in a way complete research scenario. We take the different components of worldview, research design, and research methods, and starting to play with it for a specific topic. And in the prompt for this theme, I'm giving a specific example. There are also more examples, less detailed ones in the book. Some final notes. So from now on, you need also to comment on others. So you need to comment on two posts of other students. Please post first to those colleagues, those peers that still don't have to post. So all the students will have at least two responses. Remember, you are learning from your peers. So please do this. Please copy edit your text. So this is still not paper assignment, but especially if you feel that your writing is not strong, in terms of sentence structure, wording, grammar. Either if you are English speaker or not, native English speaker, a good idea is to find someone that can take a look at your post before you post it. And again, you will probably need to do that when it's a full paper, but I recommend to find someone, significant other, a friend, someone that can take a look and give some suggestions. And finally, read your peers. Even if you post one of the first students, don't just leave the discussion be. Go back to discussion and see what happened there and how it has developed. Okay, so I wish you a happy week and happy reading and enjoy your work in the course. Bye bye.